Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to day 2 of Journey to Islam. So today we're going to be talking about Hulful, fudul and Battle of Fijar. We're also going to be talking about the rebuild of the rebuilding of the kabah and Prophet Muhammad S.A.W's marriage to khadija. So first we're going to be talking about the Battle of Fijar. The Battle of Fijar was a battle between the Quraysh and the Hawazin. This battle took place in Zulhijjah, a sacred month. In sacred months, you cannot fight, it's not allowed. But the Hawazin started the war anyways, so the Quraysh had to fight back, even though they didn't want to. So, in this battle, Prophet Muhammad S.A.W also came in it to help his uncles, even though he was only 15 years old. So now let's talk about Hulful, fudul. Hulf means oath and fudul means virtue. So this is basically an oath taken by the people of Makkah to defend the innocent. Whether they are from outside of Makkah, from their own tribe or another tribe, they would always defend the innocent. Prophet Muhammad S.A.W took part in this oath at the age of 20. Now we're going to be talking about the rebuilding of the Kaaba. So the Kaaba has 4 walls, okay? So the Quraysh wanted to rebuild the Kaaba. So there are 4 tribes. So each tribe rebuilt the one wall. But at the point where they had to put the black stone, those two men from the tribes that had the walls, these are the 2 walls, the black stone will be here. So one tribe here, one tribe there. So 2 men from each tribe said, this is stone is from our wall. No, it's from ours.
Not 2 men, actually, full tribe.
Yeah, the full tribe. Those 2 full tribes start arguing. The other 2 tribes say, if they are putting it, the black stone, it's such an important stone, then what did we do? So then those 4 tribes started fighting. So then, to prevent bloodshed amongst them, someone suggested that the first person to come through the gate, the front gate in the morning, would decide what to do with the matter. So they waited, and Prophet Muhammad S.A.W by Allah's will walked inside. Everyone was happy because Prophet Muhammad S.A.W was known as Al-Amin, the trustworthy. So Prophet Muhammad S.A.W told each clan's or tribe's representative to grab one corner of the cloth. So they take the cloth. So they take each. So each clan's representative took one corner of the cloth, and they lifted it up all together, and then they put it down. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ took the stone and put it. So that way everyone was happy, and they felt like everyone did their part. So that was the rebuild. That was how the Kaaba was rebuilt.
And why they rebuilt the Kaaba? We should tell.
Basically, the Kaaba had been pretty much destroyed because of natural disasters, floods, and it was damaged. So they decided to destroy it and rebuild it again. So now moving on, marriage of Khadija. So Khadija was a widow, and she was a very rich and wise businesswoman. So she hired Prophet Muhammad ﷺ because he was known as the trustworthy of that time. So she appointed him as basically the leader of their caravan trade to Syria. So after coming back, they got married. Khadija had 6 kids with Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. And the year that she passed away in, that year was called the year of sorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. So one more thing. Angel Jibreel once came to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is sending his salam on Khadija radiallahu anha and giving the glad tidings of paradise. So that way Khadija radiallahu anha had gotten promised paradise. So if you want to see more about people who were promised paradise, because she was not the only one, then you can go and check out our series 10 Promised to be Jannah. The link is down below. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you found it very useful and informative. So I hope to see you in the next day, day 3, where we're going to be discussing about the 3 early years of prophethood. So, subhanakallahumma bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Allah Hafiz.